Hey guys, I got this Brother electronic typewriter. It's model number SX-4000. I'm gonna do a quick testing video on this just to see if everything's working as it should. One thing to note here, it does have the original ink cartridge, but I replaced it. It has a brand new correction tape. Because the one that was in there, of course, kind of aged past its use. But the ribbons typically last a long time, and they don't really have the same problem as the correction tape. So if you're looking at purchasing this, to remove the ribbon, you just pull up, pops right out. Super easy. It's a little bit trickier to replace the correction ribbon, but just know the correction tape, just so you know that this side pops off where the orange is, that side pops off. It comes off really easy, no big deal. To put it back on, you snap this side in. What I try to do is I snap this side in, make sure the glossy side faces you, or faces up in this case, and then feed it through right here and right over here. And then this gives a direction of, okay, this is the way it winds up. So just so you know. The other thing to note is these do have, you can buy different wheel types on this. So you can have cursive, or you could have other types of fonts. To replace it, you just pull this back. It lifts right out. Put it back same way. Just slide it in. Now, once you do that, if you start typing, it will not work. You have to turn it off, turn it back on, because it zeroes itself out to where it should be. So just FYI, if you do end up doing that, make sure that you, it just snaps right back in. Make sure that you turn it off, turn it back on, which I'll do right now. Oh, in this case, it was already turned off. So see, it's going to zero itself. And now it knows where it is, which letter it should be at. So if you end up buying this unit, the reason why these break in shipping is because this will slide back and forth with gravity if the box gets moved around. So this will be, I'll pack this full of material right here, packing supplies. So if you get this, you've got to remove this. Don't turn it on with this still full. So this can move back and forth the way it should. I just don't want it to go back and forth during shipping. Slide this forward. Another thing to note, this does have the keyboard cover on it. There's two tabs, one right here, one right here. Just lift up on these. That will come off. Okay, to feed paper through, you've got your mark right here. Hello, eBay buyers. Thank you for watching this video. Okay, I'll show you the correction. So I'll do, let's just say hello. You can see the hello there. Now, there's a button here that says correct. You just push that. Sorry, a little bit of shadow here. Okay, so that shows that works. Now I'm just going to go through and I'm going to push each key. Then I'm going to hit shift, and I'm going to hit each key again. So I'll hit enter after every single. I'll go ahead and hit enter from that. So. Okay. And everything works as it should. So, of course, if you're trying to remove the tape really fast, it's locked in right now. Move this back, comes right out. Just make sure to push it back when you put a piece of paper in. If have any questions on this listing, please let me know. Thanks.